Hey, what's up, guys? Now, I know you guys want to see some JZ, KA, or maybe even M52 content, but today we are doing some serious stuff with the S13. This thing is gonna run today. Stay tuned. Hey guys, today's the day. After several mishaps with FedEx, the wire harness is finally going to be here. But first, we're just going to take care of a few loose odds and ends, so once we get it in here, everything runs smooth. Filling up the transmission. There it is. So as you guys know, with the last harness, we didn't get any relays, and that was actually the reason why it didn't work. Simple enough, but as you guys know, I haven't built a car before, so you know, when I get a standalone harness, I wouldn't really know that it needs relays. So that's why I was pointing at those, because they 100% did not forget them this time. As you can see, we got the whole harness put in. I think it's all good. I just have to get the battery box in here so I can jump the starter. Although this is a good sign. So when I take the key and I turn it, the relays buzz. So I'm gonna hook up the OBD2 scanner and I'm gonna connect my phone to it, and I'm gonna see if I can get this to turn on. As you guys can see, we got a couple codes there, and then we got a dry crank. That was mainly due to the fact that I rushed a little bit because I'm extremely excited. So if you see there in the dry crank video, the ground that's supposed to be on the front of the timing cover was not on, and I also had forgotten to put on a few of my connections on the rest of the engine. So that is all good now, and that is not going to be an issue. So let's give it another crank and see what happens. All right, we got Jacob here. Y'all ready? I think we're about to make this happen. And the battery died. So that's kind of underwhelming. That's wow. So I'm gonna run over to the auto store real quick and grab a new battery and try again. Oh man, here's the moment of truth. Yeah, there's a idle relearn. Alright, so it's I did the throttle body relearn, so the only reasonable answer as to why it's running the way it is the plethora of vacuum leaks we got going on here. So I just grabbed some hoses and we're gonna tie up those real quick, and then we're gonna give it another start and see how much better it is. It's either that or a fuel issue. So we're gonna eliminate one and then see what happens. Oh my god. It works. It was vacuum leaks. That's all it was. Oh my god, it works. Bro, it's so loud. I mean, that's what you get when you have open headers. I'm gonna hook my phone up to it and just run tests while it, you know, runs finally, because now it'll actually stay started. I'm so excited right now. Oh my god. I'm sure you guys could imagine how awesome this is. So much work, so much time. Oh my god. This is awesome, dude. I'm gonna run those tests real quick, see what we see. Alright, let me just wrap this video up real quick. So, I found the last issue. It's my plenum. So, the purge valve solenoid ports to right here, and my plenum is missing the little valve, so I can't cap it off. But I made this little makeshift piece of shit right here. Check this out. We got Kent here. He wants to see this thing start. So we're going to start this thing up. I put in my periwinkle bucket seat. He's hype. I'm hype. This is exciting. I'm going to start it up again. So you guys already know how incredibly exciting this is. If you've been following along, or if you know me personally, you know that I got this engine for 50 bucks off Marketplace, and I stripped the whole thing down. I put in fresh bearings, I put in brand new piston rings. I've never built an engine ever in my life. I followed the I followed the manual, you know, did everything the way I was supposed to, got all new gaskets. So this is really crazy to me, man. I've never built a car in my life. I've never done any of this ever in my entire life. I've always been into it. I've always been very interested in it, and I figured the best way for me to get this done would be to just get a car and do it. And like, this is honestly so surreal for me right now. This thing, it runs fine. There's no codes. None. No codes. I'm shocked. Like, this is crazy to me. So If you guys enjoyed the video and if you're ready to see more VQ content, make sure you hit like, subscribe, comment down below if you got anything to say. Once again, thank you so much for watching my videos. You guys take care. We'll see you in the next one.